What's up, XRP family? Thank you for joining the video today. We have some interesting stuff to talk about, and we have an amazing analysis today. And it's not just me, a lot of people think that XRP can move from here. It is a possibility. Now remember, the market is full of possibilities. No one knows for 100% that the price will go up, but it is looking very good at this moment. So let me explain to you what is going on here. So for example, most of the people, they enter on resistance and support, but this is not working. Long term, you will find yourself that this is not working. Otherwise, everyone would be rich. Now, let me just give you a brief example. If you want to know more about trading, follow me on Patreon and you will know more about crypto trading to make money with crypto trading. So let's take a look at this entry of mine, which I took here. And let me explain very quick how I took it and why. Now, for example, we have a major support line here, which is rejected several times. This is already indicating that price is rejecting this area. Okay, this is basic stuff. But what is the most important to me as a trader? I look at this price action. It's squeezing. When price action is squeezing towards a support area and making double bottoms, this is for me when I am alert. This is not when I enter, this is when I am alert, looking for an entry. And then there is another step which requires a push up, a continuation flag, and then we enter the trade. This is very briefly and basic. Let me talk to you about the other possibility, which I think has a big percentage of happening. It is testing this support line one more time. And this would make it even better for me because this will give me more confirmation that we have took out most of the traders and that we are going up. Now, long term, I believe in XRP, and that is also accounted for. So this is just what I wanted to share with you guys. If you want to know more about crypto trading, follow me on Patreon and you will learn how to do your own analysis and make money. Okay, let's dig in the video, guys. We have some amazing news about XRP going on. Things are starting to take place. Things are moving very slowly, but very surely. So before we dig in, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We have much more coming out of content for you guys. You do not want to miss out. Hit that notification button so you will be updated every day. Okay, let's dig in. This is the G7 summit. This is a very big thing for crypto as it's happening today. Now you can see that there are many events in June. Many. There was the Green Swan event. There was the G7, which is happening now. We have the SEC, which we don't have a reply of the SEC yet. You know that they are taking their time because they want decisions. They're making decisions. It's all a big show, guys, at the end of the day. So we have a lot of events, and this is taking place in June. Flare is coming out the end of June. It is really, really shaping up, and I think June and July are gonna be the biggest months for XRP. And you have been warned. We have been warning you from the beginning, guys. When XRP was below 50 cents, 40 cents, we warned you. And look at the price now. Okay, it's 90 cents now at the moment, but it went literally to $2, guys. Huge spike. And this is just the beginning. Let's take a look.
We will now take the family photo for the 2021 NATO summit. Ladies and gentlemen, please remove your masks and then look. Ladies and gentlemen, please remove your masks and then look into the cameras for 15 seconds. Nous allons maintenant prendre la photo de famille pour le sommet de l'automne 2021. Mesdames, Messieurs, je vous prie d'enlever vos masques et puis regardez les caméras pendant 15 secondes.
Now we know that all the huge governmental people are here. All the big boys, all the officials came together to discuss several political things. And what do you think is gonna be very important in this summit? It's gonna be crypto. They're gonna make decisions, guys, and it's gonna happen very slowly, but they will make decisions. They will already know what will happen with crypto after this summit. And it will be very interesting. Let's take a look at the next one. We have Flare Community. Let's take a look. This is amazing, guys. He's paying with XRP, and look how fast. Look how fast.
I pay with XRP now. What amount? 28. Confirm.
Can I pay with card?
Yeah, of course. Payment received.
Faster than
That was literally a second, guys. Not even a second. He was confirming, and he didn't have the time to go from his camera to the screen to show that the payment was received. Can you see how very good this system is, this technology? And you want to tell me that XRP is not a good coin? Guys, you are delusional. If you do not believe in XRP, I have nothing to say to you. Crypto-enabled payments, a trend to define the payments space. Here we have digital asset and blockchain technology based have the capability not only to lower the cost of the overall transaction, they also allow for real-time settlement. Now, what do you think that they're talking about here? They're talking about XRP. Financial institutions, bank, and even e-commerce companies can free up the tapped capital that would normally be committed to funding Nostro accounts around the world. This is on-demand liquidity, what they're talking about. Very easy to understand. You don't need funding when you have on-demand liquidity, and Ripple is the only company providing on-demand liquidity through XRP. Nostro accounts around the world, even better, these financial institutions, banks that would usually be locked out of transacting on their own, can now engage in international cross-border payments directly. This cost saving can also be passed along their customers. How much proof do you want? There is a lot of people in the comment sections, and a lot of people who do not believe in XRP, and they say that XRP is not a good coin, or it's bad, or it will not go above $2. Guys, this is why I am making these videos. I want you to understand. I want you to be aboard on this train so you can make wealth. Why do you think crypto-enabled payments are going to be a key trend? The current global financial system does not meet the needs of 1.7 billion unbanked people and millions of SMEs globally. Digital assets and blockchain technology have the potential to transform how unbanked and underbanked populations and underserved businesses access basic financial services and send and receive money across borders, making it more accessible, affordable, and secure. Very easy to understand, guys. Making the transition to a clean energy future and reducing carbon emissions can save the global economy some 26 trillion by 2030. As cryptocurrencies become mainstream and interest in Bitcoin increasingly grows, so will the entire industry's carbon footprint. It's easier to build a more sustainable ecosystem now than to reverse engineer it at a later growth stage. As you can see, guys, it's very easy to understand. So far in 2021, we've already seen unprecedented adoption of crypto by not only consumers, but for institutions like PayPal, Visa, and Square. It's not very hard to understand which cryptocurrencies they are talking about. There is a paper which I showed in yesterday's video of the World Economic Forum. They showed 6 cryptocurrencies, and XRP and Stellar were part of that. This is your go-to if you want to make money long term, guys. This is it. Crypto is here to change the world forever. Ripple has been in a legal fight with the SEC for months now over whether it's a security, but if you're holding BNB or Tether, you may not be so safe either, according to one legal expert. And this is again what we were talking about. We were talking about that XRP is just the first one. They will come to Ethereum, they will come to Binance. If XRP is declared a security, it's not altogether a bad thing for the XRP price, by the way, because the price can go very high if it's a security. Nonetheless, it's just that Ripple has a problem. They have to pay a lot of money and they cannot hold any XRP. It's going to be a big problem for Ripple, but that doesn't mean that they will not use it. This is what you have to understand. Whether XRP is a security or not, the price will go up regardless of the outcome of the SEC lawsuit. Really, guys. And here they're already talking about Ethereum, Bitcoin, Tether, Binance Coin. Binance doesn't fare too well either. Binance, the exchange, had an ICO in July 2017 and sold BNB to the public, some of them American. The exchange has a great influence on the performance and profitability of the BNB token. It even buys back some of the BNB and burns them just to make BNB more valuable. Now, this is what's happening right now, and we have to be very careful right now. Because when regulation comes, not many cryptocurrencies will survive, and this is what's coming. That's why I will bring you to the next one. No dodge allowed. Thai SEC bans meme, fan, and exchange tokens, as well as NFTs. Can you see, guys? This is what's happening right now if you're buying meme coins. If you're depending on Shiba or on Dogecoin, this is what you are risking right here. And that's what I try to protect you from, guys, because meme coins are gonna be a problem in the future. G7 commits to removing forced labor from global supply chains, US says. This is a bit interesting because here we can see that the G7 is happening and they're discussing different things. Here they're talking about supply chains concerning Shancheng in China, which is very interesting, guys, because all of this is related to global payments. Global payments, cross-border payments. There were huge glitches today on CoinMarketCap. Now, we don't know if it was CoinMarketCap who did this or it was just something is happening. This is what happened to the XRP price, and it was not just XRP, by the way. And this is not the first time it happens. And Mr. Poole predicted this. He tweeted this some time ago. It's very, very interesting what's going on, guys. And here we have Elon Musk again. Here we have XRP captain. You kidding me, Elon Musk? Look at what this all means. Put this in the gematria calculator. Pause the video if you have to, and you can look it up. It all means XRP is the future. Triple digits. XRP pegged to gold. This is all Elon Musk. He tweets this, and when you put it in the gematria calculator, which you can find online, you will see what he is saying in gematria. And it's not coincidence, because he's doing this for a while now, and people are still saying that it's coincidence. Guys, it's not a coincidence. And it is important because Elon Musk knows what's going on. He's one of the richest people. He is the richest, one of the richest guys. Okay? So you have to understand that this guy knows exactly what's going to happen. What in the XRP glitches? Look at that. Look at that. Plus 112%, going to 50 cents, 26 cents, 60 cents. Crazy glitches happening. Here we have another one. What is wrong on the or with Yahoo app. So we have different places where these things are occurring. Very crazy. Very crazy. 4 reasons why XRP price could set new all-time high above $5. Now I showed you the charts. The charts are looking very good, but it would be better if we hit that 60-cent support zone and then pushed up, which will be a huge opportunity, guys. Here we have this setup forecasts a 600% upswing to $5, determining by adding the distance between the swing low of the head and the neckline to the breakout point at 77 cents. A big breakout is coming, guys. It's not if, it's when. This is the big question. Tanzania considers crypto and boosts Bitcoin as nations line up behind El Salvador to embrace decentralized finance. Now, I talked about this as well in the previous video, that El Salvador had made an example, and now other companies are going to follow. And why do you think they have this G7 summit? Guys, they're gonna talk about crypto. Come on, wake up. Tanzania became the latest country to signal its support for digital asset this weekend, as its president instructed financial authorities to prepare for widespread use of cryptocurrencies, elevating Bitcoin prices further after El Salvador became the first country to make Bitcoin legal tender last week, and Elon Musk outlined plans for Tesla to resume accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. Now guys, we are very close now. We are very, very close for you to be too late. If all of this happened and you will invest at that time, you will be too late. So you can just take the risk now, or you will invest in maybe 2-3 months and you will regret it. You will regret it big time. And this is not financial advice, guys. I'm just warning you again, because it's happening. It's in front of us now. No one can say no against this. No one can say that this is not happening. It is, however, reiterated that with or without regulation, crypto assets remain inherently risky and volatile, and consumers' chances of incurring financial losses through investing in crypto assets remain high. Now, let me tell you something about this, because this is not correct. It is volatile, but risky. If you open a Forex account and you start trading without having stop losses, it's very risky. It's the same thing, and it's very volatile, by the way. You can open a position and lose 500 or 5,000 in a split second. That's risky. It's the same with crypto, but it doesn't mean that our fiat currencies are volatile or risky. No, it's the person who is trading who is taking risks. So this is what's really not correct about the idea that crypto is volatile and risky, and especially when XRP is used as a bridge asset, it cannot be risky. If you're switching for 3 seconds to another currency and to XRP and back, it's not volatile because of the time. The time kills the volatility. There's no time for price to react. The Zion government released a statement Saturday describing the digital yuan pilot as the nation's first on-chain payment that has been used for builders' wages. Guys, they are paying people who are working as builders in digital currencies as a wage. Now, this is what we have been talking about. This is what we have been saying from the beginning, that it's coming. The CBDCs are in place. They're piloting, they are testing, they are doing. But no one wants to listen, guys. No one. And you're gonna be too late. And that's why only 1% of the world is gonna be rich or is rich. Because of this, people are sleeping. They're not waking up. This is the video about Tanzania calls on the central bank to prepare for the use of cryptocurrency. Let's take a look.
Kwa mfano, kwa upande wa sekta ya fedha, tumeshuhudia kuibuka kwa sarafu mpya zinazotumika kwa njia ya kimtandao, yani blockchain au cryptocurrency. Najua bado nchi nyingi ikiwemo Tanzania hazijakubali au kuanza kuzitumia sarafu hizo. Hata hivyo, wito wangu kwa Benki Kuu ni vyema mkaanza kufanyia kazi maendeleo hayo. kujitayarisha tu.
Now, we cannot really understand that because they're talking in Swahili. It's another language. But we have witnessed the emergence of new journeys through the internet. My call to the central bank is to start working on that development. It's time. This is the best time to invest in cryptocurrencies, guys, because it's coming. And not all of them. Make a good selection. Be aware of the meme coins and make a good selection on what you think is actually the future. And this is not financial advice, but thank you for watching the video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.